3 by 6 is 18. The answer is 180. 2 by 2 is 4. 6 by 2 is 12. The answer is 52. 2 by 9 is 18. The answer is 180. 5 by 6 is 30. 5 by 6 is 30. The answer is 330. 7 by 5 is 35. 5 by 5 is 25. The answer is 375. 5 by 2 is 10. 1 by 2 is 02. The answer is 102. 9 by 9 is 81. The answer is 810. 1 by 7 is 07. 9 by 7 is 63. The answer is 133. 5 by 2 is 10. 1 by 2 is 02. The answer is 102. 6 by 3 is 18. 6 by 3 is 18. The answer is 198. 6 by 5 is 30. The answer is 300. 1 by 3 is 03. 9 by 3 is 27. The answer is 57. 6 by 3 is 18. 9 by 3 is 27. The answer is 207. 7 by 2 is 14. 5 by 2 is 10. The answer is 150. 3 by 6 is 18. 2 by 6 is 12. The answer is 192.